Hello grandkids, this is Grandpa again. Say, remember when you helped me fill the bird feeders here a few days ago? Well, those birds have been pretty hungry and they ate just about all that bird feed. So we got to bring some more out there now. Here, let me show you what we got here. Here's the bird seed. So we're going to carry that over to where the bird feeders are, and we'll fill up the bird feeders. Let me turn the phone around so you can see where we're going. Okay, here we go. It's a little bit windy and rainy today, but I think we might get some sunshine here pretty soon. And pretty soon the grass is going to start to get pretty green. Here's the bird feeders. Look at that. They need some food. Let's put this down right here. Okay, look at that. All right. Well, so let's start with one of these. We'll put one of those in. We'll open it up here. We'll bring it up here. We'll put it right here. That's a good place. The birds like that. Birds like that one. Okay, here's another one. We'll open this one up. And we'll bring this one over. And we'll put it on this side right there. Yeah, that works pretty good. Now, look at that. This snowman, he's kind of empty. Let's get some bird seed to put in that one. Okay. I hope I don't spill again. You can see some of the stuff on the ground that I had spilled. Oh, look at that. I'm spilling a little bit, but not too bad. But you know, even if we spill a little bit, that's okay. Because the squirrels and the little birds, they like to come get the seed that's on the ground. It's almost full. Okay, you tell me when it's full. You let me know and I'll stop. That's it. Oh, okay. Yep, I heard you. Look at that. It's full now. All right, let's bring this one up. Okay, we'll hang it right up here. Oh, let's turn them around here. There. Now we can see his funny nose. Look at that. That's a pretty good bird feeder. Now we'll fill this one up. Do you remember how I told you how this bird feeder keeps the squirrels from getting the bird food? That's a pretty good deal. It's easy for the birds, but hard for the squirrels. Okay. There we go. Okay, now we'll fill it up. Oh, I'm spilling a little bit. Look at that, it's going on the edges. Oh, it's almost full. It's almost full. I can see it coming. Here it comes. Oh, there it's full. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. I spilled some on the ground there. Can you see it? Yeah, let's put some more over here. We'll make a little pile. Oh, that's a good thing. There, the birds and the squirrels will like that. Now we'll put this up. Okay, here we go. Right up here. There we go. Okay, bonk, bonk, bonk. Oh, there's the thistle. Remember we talked about the thistle? Yeah, the little birds like thistle. Okay. Oh, I better pick those up. We'll put those in the garbage can. And the garbage man comes tomorrow morning. So we should probably bring the garbage can out to the road. Would you like to help me do that? Okay, let's do that. I'll put these 2 empty things for the birdseed in the garbage can. Right here. And then let's bring this garbage can out to the road, way out by the mailbox. Here we go. Okay. Pretty soon you're gonna hear that because it makes some noise when we go on the road. There, can you hear it? That's the garbage can. It's rolling. There it is. Okay. We'll take it way out by the road here. You tell me if you see any bunny rabbits. Sometimes I see a little bunny rabbit that runs across the road. I haven't seen any today, but we might see one. You keep your eyes open. How about over there? See any over there? No. How about over here? See any there? I can hear the birds singing. There, can you hear the birds? There. That was kind of fun to hear the birds. Okay, we're almost there. This is the end of the driveway. This is where the garbage man will come and pick up the garbage. We'll put it right here. That's a good place for it. We better check the mail. I don't know, there might be something in there. Let's look and see. Any newspapers? No, that's empty. Any mail? Oh, no, nothing in there. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. Well, thank you for helping me bring the garbage out. That was kind of fun. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.